Hello and welcome to Foodie Adventures with me, Nini, where I travel all around Japan to explore the magnificent cuisine available. Alright, please have fun and thanks for watching. Ta-ta! Greeting foodies! Well, here I am getting ready for my little solo beach adventure. So first I'm in a taxi to take me to the station. I tried to film it, but there was a small idol concert going on in the amphitheater outside of the shopping area near the station. I am currently on the train and it takes about an hour and a half on the train for me to get to the beach from my city. So I'm excited. I just departed the train station and I am currently walking to the supermarket Aeon. And Aeon is a really big superstore. It reminds me of Target or Walmart. So I usually stop there before I go to the beach to get some snacks and a few refreshments. As you can see, it's a beautiful store. Look at this. It's just a little bit glamorous for a supermarket. These are the pre-made meals, very popular in Japan at the supermarkets, and you can see there are a variety of foods. And here are the beach rules. And I remind you that in Japan, they really love to follow the rules. These are rules-abiding citizens. Here I am. I am just so excited to start my beach adventure, but first I must blow up my beach toy. And who knows, it just takes forever. But I'm enjoying the sun and looking around, people watching. So it's pretty hot, but this is Sparkle. Do you like Sparkle? This is my friend Sparkle. Hello foodies, welcome. So today is a beach day. I decided just to go to the beach. And let me tell you a little bit about Japan and the beach culture. So in Japan, in my experience, and I've been asking a lot of people, there's not a big party, beach, let's go to the beach, it's Saturday culture, let's barbecue at the beach, let's have a social gathering at the beach. That is really not that popular. As you can see, I'm at the beach and this is a Saturday and it's not crowded at all. So usually I'm asking my friends and they say they're not a beach party people, and I have some little sandwiches that I got, and the bread here is so nice and soft. I got a whole lot of sandwiches from the supermarket. But like I was saying, the beach culture is not a big deal. A lot of Japanese people don't like to be in the sun. They like to stay indoors. They like to cover themselves so they don't tan or get sunburnt. So you won't see the, hey, party, everyone's at the beach. Also, most beaches have rules like no barbecues and no loud music at the beaches. So it's not really a party environment. But people say they'll come with their families when their kids are young. They'll take their kids to the beach, so that is usually normal. And so yeah, I just wanted to share the beach culture with you really quick little vlog.
Yeah, it's really low key here. I've been to a few beaches, and my beach drink, let me see. I have a Chu Hai. This is like a cooler. And yeah, I'm just enjoying the beach. And decided to make a quick video for the Japanese beach culture. Oh, and this is Sparkle. Let me show you Sparkle. Hi, Sparkle. This is Sparkle. I'm here. So if you like my videos and you just want to see a little more things about Japan or food, please push the thumbs up. Thank you. Show me some love. This is Jonini. See you. Mwah. Ta-ta.
Long days again and again.
So I just enjoyed most of my day in the sun, having a nice relaxing solo beach day. But I just wanted to share with everyone that Rinku Beach is a man-made beach and it's near Nagoya Airport. And every year they have the Rinku Beach Fest, which is really great. The last year that I attended before COVID was 2019, and I just had an amazing time. And this is a little bit of the footage from 2019 Rinku Beach Fest with me and some girls that I met when I went there. Oh, so if you're ever in Nagoya around the summer, please attend the Rinku Beach Fest.
Free up your body, come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, come on, come on. Bailando salsa contigo, more.